Hi everyone, welcome back to Home Remedies. Piles, also known as hemorrhoids, are a common problem, but the good news is, there are plenty of natural and effective home remedies that can bring you relief without needing medication or surgery. In today's video, I'll be sharing some easy-to-follow remedies that can help you manage and reduce piles. So, let's get started. Let's start with a simple yet super effective remedy, the warm sitz bath. Just fill your bathtub with warm water, not too hot, just enough to cover your affected area when you sit down. Relax in the bath for 15 to 20 minutes, letting the warm water work its magic. The warmth helps to soothe inflammation and reduce swelling. Try adding a cup of Epsom salt or baking soda to the water for additional soothing properties. Trust me, your bottom will thank you. Now let's talk about aloe vera. Aloe vera is a natural wonder, packed with anti-inflammatory and soothing properties. Just grab a fresh aloe vera leaf, slice it open, and scoop out the gel. Apply this gel directly to the affected area a few times a day. If you don't have a plant handy, you can find pure aloe vera gel at most drugstores. Just make sure to choose one that's free of added chemicals or fragrances. Next up is witch hazel, another natural powerhouse for soothing piles. Witch hazel is a natural astringent, meaning it helps to constrict blood vessels, reducing swelling. Soak a cotton ball in witch hazel and dab it gently onto the affected area. You can do this a few times a day for relief. Witch hazel also has antiseptic properties which can help prevent infection. Chapter 4. Fiber is your friend. Diet tips for piles. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to prevent piles is by upping your fiber intake. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and can significantly reduce the risk of developing piles. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, making it softer and easier to pass. This helps in reducing the strain on your bowel movements. This means less straining during bowel movements, which is a major plus for preventing and managing piles. Load up on fruits, such as apples, pears, and berries, vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and leafy greens, whole grains such as oats, brown rice, and quinoa, and legumes including beans, lentils, and chickpeas. These foods are fiber powerhouses and will keep things moving smoothly. Incorporating a variety of these into your daily meals can make a big difference. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Water is crucial for helping fiber work effectively in your digestive system. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps fiber do its job even better. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your digestive system in top shape. Chapter 5. Coconut oil, a soothing solution for piles. Coconut oil is a natural anti-inflammatory and has amazing moisturizing properties. Just take a small amount of virgin coconut oil, make sure it's unrefined, and gently apply it to the affected area. You can do this a few times a day for relief. The coconut oil helps to create a protective barrier on the skin, preventing further irritation and promoting healing. Plus, it just feels so soothing. Chapter 6. Apple cider vinegar, a natural remedy for piles. In this chapter, we will explore how this common household item can be used to alleviate the discomfort associated with piles, also known as hemorrhoids. Apple cider vinegar has astringent properties similar to witch hazel, which means it can help shrink hemorrhoids and reduce itching. This natural remedy has been used for generations and is known for its effectiveness. Always dilute it before applying it to your skin. Undiluted apple cider vinegar can be too harsh and may cause irritation. A good ratio is 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a cup of water. This dilution ensures that the solution is gentle enough for sensitive skin. Soak a cotton ball in this diluted solution and gently dab it onto the affected area. This method can provide immediate relief from itching and discomfort. Some people also find relief by consuming diluted apple cider vinegar. This can help improve digestion and reduce inflammation from within. If you want to try that, add a tablespoon to a glass of water and drink it. Make sure to drink it slowly and follow it with a glass of plain water to rinse your mouth. Listen to your body and stop if you experience any discomfort. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. That's it for today's video on home remedies for piles. I hope you found the information useful and that it helps you manage your symptoms effectively. I hope you found these tips helpful and that they bring you the relief you need. Remember, these remedies are meant to complement your treatment, not replace professional medical advice. Remember, it's always best to consult with your doctor if your symptoms persist or worsen. They can provide you with the best guidance tailored to your specific condition. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel grow and reach more people who might benefit from these tips. Subscribe to my channel for more health tips and advice on natural remedies. I post new content regularly, so there's always something new to learn. And hit the bell icon so you never miss a video.